In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Mobirise. If you've built your site and you're ready to share it or save a copy, I'll walk you through the exact flow so you know what to click and what to expect. First, open your browser and go to the Mobirise online page. This is the official web interface where you can access your projects from anywhere without installing the desktop app. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection so the publishing process doesn't get interrupted. On the login screen, choose the option to sign in with Google. This is the quickest way to get in without creating a separate password. You'll be redirected to Google's sign-in screen. Select the Google account you want associated with your Mobirise projects. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you pick the one you actually use for your site work. If you see a permissions prompt, confirm it so Mobirise can authenticate you properly. Once you're signed in and your dashboard loads, open your project and look for the Publish button. Think of Publish as the step that bundles everything together, your pages, images, and styles, into a web-ready package. Here you'll see two main choices. If you want a copy on your computer, choose the option to download in a .zip file. Mobirise will generate a zip that contains your site files, usually with an index.html and an assets folder. This is ideal if you plan to host the site yourself later, share it with a teammate, or keep a backup. The file will save to your default downloads folder. A quick tip, rename the zip with a clear version or date so you can track updates over time. Alternatively, you can publish to a subdomain. This lets you put your site live instantly under a hosted address provided by Mobirise. It's perfect for quick demos, client previews, or testing on a real URL without setting up hosting. Pick a short, memorable subdomain. If the name you want is taken, try a small variation. Remember that subdomain hosting may have limitations, so treat it as a convenient option for sharing and iteration. When your option is set, click Publish to finalize. You'll see a brief progress indicator. If you chose the zip, wait for the download to complete. If you chose the subdomain, you'll get a link you can open right away. Always give your published site a quick check. Open the link, click through key pages, and verify images and forms. Anytime you make changes to your project, repeat this process to update the live version or create a new zip. And that's it, your Mobirise site is published and ready to go.